Hello guys, this is Saurabh from Raw Combat Fitness. I have been training Muay Thai since about 2 years now under the guidance of Coach Pawan, who's the head coach at Raw Combat Fitness. Coach, I'll start off by thanking Coach Pawan, the most important person in my fighting journey. He's just not been a coach, he's been a brother, he's been a father figure in my past 2 years. And I want to move on to my training partners. I've had amazing training partners. They've pushed me through all the tough times I've had during training, and I've got very skillful assistant coaches as well. We've got Coach Akash, we've got Coach Likith, we've got Coach Ismail, who are always pushing me to my limit. Especially for this championship, I've stretched myself out to the maximum. Right, I've trained for 3 hours every day, in spite of keeping a full-time job, and the people at work have been very supportive. The people at my house, my parents, my brother, all of them have been very supportive. It's not just my victory, I think it's everyone's contribution put together that's got this belt. And coming to this belt, I just noticed the significance. The person who designed it he's been very creative, right? There are all the 28 states which are encrypted on the circumference of the belt, which is very creative, and I really liked it. Next, I'll come on to the officials of this tournament. All the officials are very, very professional. Handle things has been perfect, right? There's no point for us to say that okay, this was not done right, that wasn't done right. Everything on time, never stressing out any fighter, right? You don't feel like it's a pain to come attend this event. During my fight, there was a small controversy, and the way all the officials handled it was amazing.
You can, if there is anything that you want to say in terms of competition or a message to the young fighters, other fighters who wants to come, you can leave a message.
The message I would like to give to all the upcoming fighters, to the fighters who might have lost this tournament, it doesn't end here, right? Maybe we all haven't given our 100% yet. There is a lot more we can achieve in the sport of martial arts. I think the limit is, the sky is the limit, right? I think there's a lot more we all can achieve. India has still got to go a lot more far in this sport. I think martial arts, there's still a lot of scope for India to build upon, right? And people like Coach Hemant and a few others are trying to build this sport to an extent where we can stand right on par with all the other top countries. And I would like to thank all the Golden Monk-on officials, the guys who've helped in organizing this event, all my club members, all my club owners, my parents, my training partners, and most importantly, my coach, Coach Pawan. Thank you.